Hello everyone, welcome back to Math to the Radha. Today we are going to do decimals like fractions, decimals, and percentage. Today we are going to investigate this question, which is the snack booths take up 0.15 of the entire area of an amusement park. What is that in a fractions? So what we are going to do is today is we are going to explore how we can convert decimals to fractions, fractions to decimal, and decimals to percentage. Like today's main topic is about decimals. So yeah, we are going to explore about decimals. So the answer for our last question was we can answer the question by counting the squares that the snack booths take up, and that is 15 by 100. But how do we convert decimals to fractions? So what we need to do is, let's just start that. To convert decimals to fractions, use the place value table to guide you to convert decimals to fractions. So in this case, you need to use the place value table, which will help you how you can convert decimals to fractions. So what you did is you just need to note that 0 by 1 if you convert 0 by 1 into fraction, it will be 1 by 10. 0.01 is 1 by 100. 0.001 is 1 by 1000. If you notice one thing, that after the point there is one digit, it means there will be one zero. There is two digit, it means there will be two zeros. If there is three digit, it means there will be three zeros. What this will help you? This will be helping you to get you what will be in the denominator. Okay, like if the number is 0.0001, so it means the your denominator should be, there are 1 2 3 4 4, so it means there will be four zeros. So this is how you will be noticing that what will be in your denominator. Yeah, if you are converting a fraction. And if you notice one thing, that after the number there is one number like 1 1 1, so that is why they put 1 in the numerator. So maybe you get that how you can convert decimals to fractions. We are going to convert some questions, like in the first question we have 0.15, like this. Yeah, so what we did is they are two numbers after there are two numbers after the point. Yeah, so it means there will be two zeros. There will be two zeros, and there was 15 after the point, so we put 15 in a numerator. Now if you notice that in the this place value table, that uh, this is a decimal point. Yeah, then we have 10, 100,000, and before that we have ones, tens, 100,000, many more. Yeah, so what we did, when we were small, we know that there was ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000. These were the whole numbers. Yeah, these that were the whole numbers. The number before the point are whole numbers. We put that when we convert a fractions, we put that suppose you have, let's just take an example. Suppose you have 3.15 and you want to convert this into fraction. So first thing what we will be noticing is there are two numbers after the point. It means there will be 100 because there 100 has two zeros. Then you will notice that after the point there is 15. Yeah, it means there will be 15 in a numerator. Yeah, now what you will be noticing, the 3. The 3 is before point. The 3 is before point. Yeah, so if 3 is before point, if any number is before point, you will need to put that number in a whole number like this, like a mixed number. So answer would be 3 by 15 by 100, like this. 315 by 100. So something like this. So what they said is, since the decimal is up to the 100, since the decimal is up to the 100, its the denominator will be 100, where 15 is in numerator. Okay, so this is what we noticed today. Okay, then we have this question. Let's just try this. Okay, so over here what we have is we have 3 by 4. Yeah, as I told you, there is if you notice that there is one number after the point, it means the denominator will be 10. Yeah, because 10 has 1 0. Then after the point we have one number which is 4, so we will put 4 by 10. Yeah, but if you notice that before that, we before the point we have 3, so we will put 3, like red, like this, cos 3 is a whole number, and in fraction we put 3, any whole number, like this. Okay, so it means our fraction is 3 by 4 by 10. 3 4 by 10. So let's just check, is this our answer? Yeah, 3 4 by 10. But they also said us simplify if possible, so we can simplify, so we will simplify it like, let's simplify by dividing the numerator and denominator by the highest common factor, which is 2. So highest common factor is 2. So let's just see. So we have 3 plus, and then in the bracket we have this. So when we divide 4 by 2 and when we will divide it, we will get 2 by 5. Yeah. And we put over here 3. So our answer would be 3 by 2 by 5. So this is how you can like this simplify it. Then we have converting fractions to decimals. Now we are going to see how we can convert fractions to decimals. It's easy to convert fractions that have 10, 100 and 1000 as a denominator. Like if you see that, converting 23 by 100 to the decimals by writing the numerator on the place value table, like suppose if any fraction have 10, 100 and 1000, it will be easy for you to convert that into decimals. Like suppose here we have 23 by 100. If you put that into the place value table, you will notice that it will be easy for you. Like if there is 23 by 100, you will see that there is two zeros in the 100. Yeah, so it means there will be two digit, something like this. Yeah, there is two number 23. This will be like easy for you how to convert that. But one is like for 23 by 100, since the denominator is 100, it means that the decimal will be up to the 100 place, which means 23 by 100 is equal to 0.23. Yeah, but what if the denominator is not in a power of 10? Like if the denominator is 5, like if the fraction is 3 by 5, how you can convert that to decimals? Think of a number that can be multiplied to the denominator to make up the power of 10. With the denominator of 5, we can multiply it with it by 2, like what they did in this one. Let me just explain you briefly that uh, here we have denominator of 10. Yeah, here we have denominator of here we have denominator of 5. Yeah, so what they said is, with the denominator of 5 we can multiply it with 2. Like you need to see what you will multiply with 5 to get 10 with the denominator. After to multiply the numerator and denominator by the number you got from the first step to keep the fraction equivalent. So when we multiply that, we will get 66 by 10. Yeah, so when we get 6 by 10, we can easily divide that, we can easily convert that into decimals. Yeah, because in that case we know that we have 1 0, it means there will be point, and one number we have, it means it will be 0 by 6, 0.6. That means 3 by 5 is equal to 0.6. So this is how you can convert fractions to decimals and decimals to fractions. Now we have percentage. We use percentage to represent a part of whole. just like fractions we did in our last video. If decimals have a decimal point percentage, have the percent symbol. Percent came from the Latin word percetum, that means per hundred. Let's go back to our question, which was, since the snack booths take up 0.15 of a park, how do you represent this as a percentage? So if you want to convert that as a percentage, our first step is to move the decimal point place right. Like you need to just move this decimal point in the front of the number. Okay. So when we move that like 1, 2, we need two flips, and the decimal now will become after 15. Now replace the decimal point with the percentage symbol. This is like too easy. It means it took 15%. What percent of the amusement park is taken by the ride? Like just take check this one, okay? So in this we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What we are doing is we need to just like find, first of all, we need to find how much decimal is taken by the amusement park rides. So these are the rides. So let's just count the box. You can also, like in the last video, we know that how to find the area. Like we know that how we can find the area of a composite figure. Yeah, so suppose this is a composite figure and we need to find the area of this figure. So if you're finding the area of this figure, we need to multiply these sides to these sides and these sides to like length into breadth and width into height. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have the here with the 7 into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, which is 35, plus we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is 30. So when we add them, we will get 65. Yeah, you know how the area is coming into our like real life. Yeah, so we have a 65.0. Okay, this is the decimal which we need to convert into percentage. So our first step was to make this decimal in front of 65. So when we did that 65 point, yeah, now what we need to do is we need to convert this point, a decimal point, into percentage sign. So answer would be 65%. So this is our percentage answer. I just check it if it is right or wrong. Yeah, it is correct. We have 65%. Okay, here we have the summary. To convert decimals to fraction, decimal up to the tenth will have to denominator of 10. Like they give us example like this. Up to the 100 will have to the denominator of 100. Up to the 1000 will have to the denominator of 1000, like this. So what they're saying is, if after the point there is one digit, it means there will be one zero, two digit, two zeros, three digit, three zeros. It means it will let you know what will be the denominator. Then we have summary number to convert fractions to decimal. So in this, if the denominator is 10, the decimal number will be up to the 10th. If the denominator is 100, the decimal number up to the 100. Like if the denominator is 10, 1 0, so the point will be 0 1. If there are two zeros, it will be the after the point there will be two zeros. If there is three zeros, there will be after the point there will be three zeros. Yeah. If the denominator is not the power of 10, step 1, multiply a number to both the numerator and denominator to make up the denominator a power of 10. Simplify if needed. Convert as you normally would. So this is how you can convert that. If the power is not to the 10, so it means like the here our numerator is, sorry, if here like our numerator is denominator is 2, this is not to the power of 10. We will make it power of 10 by multiplying it by 5. We will get like 5 by 10. We will make it in a fractions. So yeah. Then we have summary number 3, which is like percentage. Percentage is a part of a whole where we use the symbol percent, which means per hundred. To convert decimals to percentage, we just need to move the uh, decimal two places to the right, like 1, 2. So when we move two places right, it makes 3.35.6, and then we will make it percentage. Like what you need to do is you just need to move only two places, not 3, 4, 5. You only need to make two places to the right. Okay. So when we make two places to the right, it makes 35.6. So it doesn't mean that you will put like 35% 6. It means that the percentage is 35.6%. Okay, something like this. Okay, think about this. After riding the roller coaster, Jan got 100 and went to the snack bar for pizza. If he ate 6 out of 8 slices of pizza, what percentage of the whole pizza did he eat? Work with your partner or your friend and share your answer in the comments, and definitely going to tell you is your answer is correct or wrong. And that's all for today. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more math videos. And comment if you have any question, comment me down. I'm definitely going to answer it. So yeah, that's all. Thank you. Bye bye. Tada.